A routine Pinal County stop turns into a paperwork nightmare, expired tags, and a story that doesn't hold up. Original audio stripped, our own narration added. Let's walk the Arizona statutes one by one. The deputy runs the plate on a red sedan. In Arizona, expired registration alone is enough to justify the stop. Driving on expired tags is a civil violation under statute 28-2153, but it rarely travels alone.
The body camera catches the moment the second problem surfaces. One expired document usually means the whole file is out of date.
Here's what makes Arizona different. Most traffic tickets are civil. You pay a fine and move on with no criminal record. But criminal speeding, driving on a suspended license, and reckless driving all cross into misdemeanor territory with a mandatory court date. A second vehicle, a Honda, gets the same scrutiny. Every plate the deputy runs is a live query against the state database. If registration is expired more than a certain window, Arizona allows the vehicle to be impounded, not just cited.
A suspended license found here isn't a ticket you mail in. Under Arizona law, it can mean a mandatory court date.
And the number on the ticket is never the real cost. Arizona stacks an 83% surcharge on top of the base fine. Then come license points, defensive driving school, and insurance increases that can outlast the ticket by years. Expired registration is a civil fine, but driving on a suspended or revoked license is a Class 1 misdemeanor, the most serious kind. That carries potential jail and a longer suspension stacked on top. Footage credit, Pinal County Sheriff's Office.